Hello, welcome back everyone. And today in this video session, let's learn few more terms. Those are niche overlap and ecological equivalence and ecological guild. Let's start with the first one, that is niche overlap. Let us know what is niche overlap. Here, niche overlap means here there are two words we already know, that is niche, the meaning of niche, and overlap. It's a common English term, it's like overlapping. So for example, this is species A and this is species B, and from here to here, this actually forms the niche breadth of the species A, and from here to here forms the niche breadth of the species B. And I have already explained in the previous video about what is niche breadth. Okay, and here the marked part, which is darker here, which I have shown here, this part is shared by both species A and species B, means the same resource is used by species A and species B, means there is a sharing of the resource between the two species, so that here you can see the overlap here. Okay, let us know the definition of the niche overlap. Niche overlap means that one or more resources are shared between two or more species. Okay, that is called as niche overlap. So sharing of niche among two more species, like that also we can say sharing of niche between two or more species, that is actually called as niche overlap. Why niche overlap is going to occur? Because when two species compete for the same resource or same limiting resource, that time niche overlap is going to occur. So overlap indicates similarity between these two species in the use of the particular set of resource. For example, we can say they will compete for foraging the space or foraging the food, or they will compete for the soil type, and there may be a predators attack for the same kind of species, for both the species. Predator attack also may occur. So if they share the common predators for both the species, predator is same, that is also a niche overlap. Even they compete for the soil type, that's also niche overlap. For foraging the space or food, etc., these are all the example for the niche overlap. So I will just repeat once again. Here niche overlap means one or more resources are shared between two species or two or more species. Okay, I hope you understood the meaning of the niche overlap. Let us move on to the next term, that is ecological equivalent. What are ecological equivalents? Let us know the definition first. Organisms that occupy the same or similar ecological niche in different, remember this term is very important, in different geographical regions are known as ecological equivalents. Means organisms, they are having the same ecological niche, okay, but they are in different region. They may be here, they may be one type of species are here, one type of species here, but ecological niche from is same. So for make you to understand in more better way, let us take the example. See, the kangaroos of Australian grassland are ecological equivalents of the bison of the North American grassland. Means here the kangaroos of Australia, they will be feed on the grassland of the Australia, okay, because they are in Australia. And the bisons, those are in North America, they are also dependent on the grassland, means they live in grassland. Here kangaroos also, it means that here, as I told here, same ecological niche, means here the ecological niche is same here. Look at here, this is important, they share the same ecological niche, but the place they are in Australia, and here they are in North America, okay. So means here geographical region is different but grassland is same. Those kind of organisms are called as ecological equivalents. Let us move on to the next term, that is guild or ecological guild. Let us look at the definition here. Ecological guild or guild is any group of species that exploit the same resources in a similar way, therefore sharing a similar ecological niche, okay. Here they are exploit the resource in a same manner, and also they sharing the similar ecological niche, okay. So the members of the guild occurs in the same area. To make it simplify, they occurs in the same area, and in which case the group is referred to as a local guild. If they are occur in the same area, that guild is referred to as a local guild. See, let's take an example here. Let's start with the second example first, so it will help you to understand. The kangaroo and sheep in Australia, they are taxonomically widely different and appears also different, but they belong to the same guild because members of the guild engaged in the same activities and they are in the same place. They are at the same place, okay. So as I referred here, you should remember this part. They sharing the similar ecological niche, okay, and also exploit the same resource. For make it simplify, let's take the first example. Here various type of insect species, they collect the nectar from flowers in similar way, okay, but there are different varieties of insects. They collect the nectar flowers in similar way, okay. That's about the niche overlap, ecological equivalent guild or ecological guild, okay. In the next video we will discuss more terms regarding to ecology. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.